Galaxy Watch v Gear S3, the 5 big changes coming to Samsung's smartwatch. Samsung has just revealed its new Galaxy Watch, which brings a swathe of upgrades to its smartwatch brand. Here's everything you need to about the Galaxy Watch v Gear S3. Samsung announced an all-new smartwatch range at its Unpacked keynote in New York last week, with these latest and greatest tech timepieces packing a swathe of upgrades over the older Gear S3. The Korean technology firm has decided to ditch the Gear branding for this upgraded wearable and has also removed the Frontier and Classic lineup that featured on the Gear S3. Fans can now grab the Galaxy Watch in 3 color styles and 2 sizes, with a 42mm and 46mm both available at launch. Along with new colors and name, there's a bunch of other key differences, and here's a guide to what's new on the Galaxy Watch. Battery. Samsung has always led the field when it comes to battery life, and the Galaxy Watch pushes the boundaries to a new level. The older Gear S3 could last up to 4 days, but Samsung is claiming that its new device will be able to last a week on a single charge. It's worth noting that this longer life is only available on the larger 46mm Galaxy Watch model, with the smaller version lasting a similar amount of time to its predecessor. We'll have to wait and see if this 7-day power can really be achieved, but if Samsung can squeeze that much life into its new watch, it could give it the edge over many of its rivals. Water resistance. The Gear S3 offered a decent level of durability with an IP68 rating, meaning it can cope with limited time in the drink. However, the Galaxy Watch now brings a much better water resistance level, with this new wearable capable of being submerged to depths of up to 50 meters. This means it can be worn for swim tracking without any fear that it's going to end up with a soggy circuit board. In reality, Samsung says this rating allows the Galaxy Watch to cope with rain, showering, surface swimming and snorkeling. Samsung is also boasting that the Galaxy Watch has certified military-level durability with Corning Gorilla Glass DX. Connectivity. The Gear S3 has long offered the ability to take calls, check texts and see notifications from numerous apps. However, to stay connected it's needed to be linked to your smartphone. Apple launched its fully 4G-ready smartwatch last year, which allows users to head away without their phone and still access their digital life, and now Samsung is following with one model of the Galaxy Watch also offering this mobile technology. The 4G Samsung Galaxy Watch will be available in the UK later this year, and EE will be the first UK network to support it. This device will allow users to make calls, send emails and check their social media feeds without needing a smartphone stuck in their pocket. There's no word on a release date or price, but expect it to cost around £100 more than the current Galaxy Watch. Improved fitness. Samsung's wearables have always arrived with fitness tracking capabilities, but the Galaxy Watch is upping its fitness game. This new tracker will now automatically recognize if you are exercising and, if you've been training for more than 10 minutes, will instantly track and record it. Galaxy Watch also adds 21 new indoor exercises, tracking a total of 39 workouts that allow consumers to customize and change up their routines. Plus, the device can track up to 40 different exercises, allowing you to make the most of your workout. Samsung says that its new gadget has been designed with wellness in mind and now includes a new stress management tracker, which automatically detects high levels of stress and offers breathing exercises to help keep users relaxed and focused. And with that possible 7-day battery, there's an advanced sleep tracker which monitors all levels of sleep, including REM cycles, to help users adjust sleeping habits. New designs. As we mentioned earlier, the new Galaxy Watch no longer comes in a classic or frontier styling. Samsung is instead offering its new device in 2 sizes, with a 42mm and 46mm both available. The smaller of these designs arrives in midnight black and rose gold, with the larger wearable only available in silver. Express.co.uk has already tried out both styles and they certainly look impressive, although it's worth noting that 46mm does feel pretty big, especially for those with smaller wrists. All of the Galaxy Watch variants include a removable strap, and Samsung doesn't limit you to official accessories with any standard bands compatible. For the first time, Galaxy Watch also features analog watch ticks and hourly chimes, and a depth effect that casts shadows defining every detail on the watch face for a traditional look and feel. Price. Surprisingly, it seems Samsung hasn't added a premium for buying its new watch. Prices for the 42mm model start from £279, with the larger Galaxy Watch costing £299. There's currently no word on how much extra Samsung will charge for the 4G model, which arrived later this year.